What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video tutorial of free code capture section, React and Redux. And in this one we're gonna be mapping state to props. So the provider component allows you to provide state and dispatch to your React components, but you must specify exactly what state and actions you want. This way you make sure that each component only has access to the state it needs. You accomplish this by creating two functions which are called map state to props and map dispatch to props. In these two functions, you declare what pieces of state you want to have access to and which actions, which action creators you need to be able to dispatch. Once these functions are in place, you'll see how to use React Redux connect method to connect them to your components in another challenge. So it also says that note behind the scenes, React and Redux uses the store.subscribe method to implement map state to props. Alright, so I really hope you guys have understood the concept of it. Theory wise, let's have a bit of a practical approach to it. So it says that create a function map state.props. So first of all, we can create a function map state to props. Alright, arrow function it can be called, and then it says this function should take state as an argument. So I'll pass the state in this parameter here. Okay, then return an object maps that state to a specific property name. So I'll choose in this case message property name. Alright, messages, sorry, my bad. These properties will become accessible to your component via props. Since this example needs to keep the entire state of the app in a single array, you can pass the entire state of the component. So create messages in the object. So I've already done that. That's being returned and set it to the state. So here we go. State, perfect. Alright, and that's why really. Let's see if we pass the test. Hopefully we do. Nope, we don't. Right, so this one I forgot to return it completely. I think that must have been the reason. Let's see now. Oops, these should be curly braces, not round brackets. Yep, here we go, perfect. So let's see if we pass the challenge. Yes, checkmate, perfect. Alright guys, I really hope you understood the concept, practical wise as well, of how to map state. Excuse me, I think I've had a bit too much to eat. Yeah, coming back to the video anyway. I really hope you guys understood how to map state to props. Practice that in your own time. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll make sure I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next video, have fun.